Dear residents of Saba, as of 11 a.m. today, Saturday, May the 16th, it marked 72 hours since Mr. Eric Matthijssen was last seen in the area of Wells Bay. Since the evening of May the 13th, several search teams have been deployed trying to locate him. These combined efforts included experienced local hikers, drones, 2 helicopters, Coast Guard boats, Marines, and a Dash Patrol airplane. All the efforts made so far have unfortunately been unsuccessful. Based on medical advice, our medical teams, the nature of our search has turned from rescue to recovery. In the coming days, additional search dogs are also expected to arrive from the urban search and rescue to help with this. This comes with a sense of defeat that we all can resonate with, and our hearts go out to Mr. Matthijssen's family, his friends, and his colleagues during this extremely difficult time. We also acknowledge the hard work and all the efforts of multiple teams, and we thank our crisis and safety partners, including our police department, our fire department, the Saba Conservation Foundation, the various volunteers, our Dutch Caribbean Coast Guard, our Marines, the Ministry of Defense, the National Crisis Center, the Ministry of BZK, and now the USAR. Thank you.